back to the channel. This is Novotaz. You are watching Novotaz or Novotaz Customs, and hat looks goofy. We are back on this thing again. So this is either the third or fourth video in this current series of working on the transmission on this truck. The last video, we got it moving, but it's still not doing quite right. Some people suggested that replace. Alrighty, so now that we're back from all of that fun stuff, today I'm going to drop the pan again, drain the fluid, and we're going to pull the valve body off. And I have the other set of sensors that I've had in the shop now for a while. I'm going to swap them out, throw everything back together, and see if anything changes. The only other thing that I need to do, but I need to go get the part, is a output speed sensor for the transmission. When we pulled the transmission out the other time, I don't know what happened to it, but the plastic part of it is broken off. It is no longer on the transmission, so I have to replace it. Other than that, it's just going to be a simple remove, replace, install. So I'm literally not going to show you pulling the pan again, pulling the valve body again. I'm going to get straight to work to pulling the valve body, and when I get it out, I will be back to talk to you guys some more. So little bit of time for me, for you, it'll be right about now. Alright, so I'm back from pulling out the valve body. It's been a little bit, honestly. I did 2 oil changes, and I'm in the middle of doing rear brakes, but we do have the valve body sitting out here. I'm going to pull the valve body apart, replace the sensors, and want to check a few other things real quick while I have it out, and then we'll get this put back up in the truck and get the truck filled back up with oil. Alrighty, it's actually a different day. Same video I'm gonna put this in, but I gotta admit, I fucked up. Back when I actually switched these valve bodies, I did not realize that I had majorly messed up. So this valve body right here is the one that I just took out of the truck. It is the one that I put in the truck a while ago now from the junkyard. The problem with this valve body is a 99 and older valve body, and it originally had this style pressure sensor, which doesn't fit my truck. The other thing that's different is it has some check ball differences. Um, let me get the camera turned around here. Anyway, so like I was saying, is it has some differences in the plates and in where the check balls go. I don't think I had a check ball in here. I might have had one check ball in here, but there was no check ball in this one up here. And when you get down to the bottom side of this one, on this one, oh wait, that's the other thing is you'll notice there's a difference here. So this is the original one for my truck, and if you notice, these two spots are different. And the reason why they're different is if you flip them over. Let me make sure I got the right spot. Okay, so if you flip them over, this is the reason why they're different. On the other side, there should be a small check valve that goes right in here. Okay, and that is the one that goes in my truck. This is the one that doesn't go in my truck. Then if you look at the bottom plates, in that same spot, there was also a difference. Where was that? Oh, right here. As you can see, there's also a difference here. This is the one that goes in my truck. This is the style that I had in my truck. And so, with those not being in the right spot, I'm wondering if that's part of the reason why I was having pressure issues. The other being, I want to replace all those sensors, which I'm going to put this all back together, and I'm going to go pick up some new sensors and throw this whole thing back together, and hopefully that solves my problem. Alright guys, this is completely back together. This is all of the original stuff from the original valve body. I am going to order all new electronics, get a new filter, and before I put it back up in the truck. So in the next video, we will install the sensors and get the get this back up in the truck, and we'll get some fluid back in it and see what it does. Hopefully this is the end of the truck saga, and we can actually start modding this truck for performance and or visual mods. So if you want to support the channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notifications, that way you'll actually get notified when I do put the videos up. And there is truck merch up on the storefront, so teespring.com, search Novataz Customs, and you will find my merch on there. Also, we do a live stream every Sunday night starting at 9 o'clock p.m. Come join us there. Have any questions? That's a good place to come ask them. But until next time, peace, have fun, get something done. All right, I'm out.